Crack dog fame. So what? Hold on, wait. Now answer me this question, Mary. Why are you crying?
Because what's going on
On a bear plane? Mary.
I don't know why he said an airplane.
What is it you're wanting to do? Honey, we can't go on an airplane right now. Honey, we can't. We ain't got nowhere to go.
Where we gonna go? To Texas? Daddy's brother.
Honey, we can't just get on an airplane just to get on it and ride an airplane. We gotta be going. Girl?
Dad.
What?
Isn't Texas not that far from Louisville?
It's about 1,000 miles.
Yeah, we're not going to a trip to Texas at all.
Why not?
Because it's 1,000 miles.
Okay, what's wrong with that?
That's too long. I'll get
So we got one mad because she can't get on an airplane. She said, "Can we get on an airplane like in the morning?" Honey, Daddy will try. Gotta get this girl on an airplane here.